Hi everyone! Welcome to this video on how to earn money fast in 2023. In this video, we'll be discussing some great ideas that can help you earn extra cash on the side, whether you're a student, a home parent, or just looking to supplement your income. First, let's talk about online surveys. There are many websites that pay you for taking surveys, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. While you won't make a lot of money, this can be an easy and fun way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Online surveys are usually short and easy to complete and can pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. If you're looking for something a bit more challenging, consider becoming a freelancer. With the rise of the gig economy, there are many opportunities to offer your skills online, such as writing, graphic design, or social media management. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com can connect you with clients and help you build your portfolio. As a freelancer, you have the flexibility to work on your own schedule and choose the projects that interest you. While it can take time to build up your reputation and client base, freelancing can be a great way to earn a steady stream of income. Another option is to start an online store. With platforms like Shopify, it's easier than ever to create an online store and sell products to customers all over the world. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even dropship products from suppliers. Starting an online store requires some initial investment in setting up your website and sourcing products, but it can be a great way to earn passive income once you've established your business. If you're interested in investing, consider using a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments and can help you grow your wealth over time. Just remember that investing always comes with risk, so be sure to do your research and invest wisely. You can start with a small investment and watch it grow over time, or use a robo-advisor to manage your retirement savings. Finally, consider selling items you no longer need. Websites like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace can be a great way to sell unwanted items and make some extra cash. You can sell anything from clothes and electronics to furniture and appliances. Just be sure to take good photos and write detailed descriptions to attract buyers. That's it for our tips on how to earn money fast in 2023. Remember, earning money takes time and effort, but with these ideas, you can start making money on the side and work towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.